How to use whey protein for weight loss? What is whey protein? Whey protein is a mixture of many proteins which isolated from whey. It is a liquid part of milk that separates due to cheese production. It is good for our health, also helpful for weight loss, but we have to maintain some introductions for it. It is sold as various flavored powder. It is very helpful for the human body. Milk contains two types of proteins, casein or whey. Both are useful for the human body. It can help to boost your protein and BCAA intake. It is the main building block for the human body. Various important things used to make it including tendons, organs and skin, hormones, enzymes, various molecules and neurotransmitters. It is flavored with different things. Chocolate, vanilla and strawberry powder are popular. It is used for people who are gym enthusiasts, bodybuilders and want to lose weight. Types of whey protein. There have been many kinds of protein, all loaded with essential amino, cysteine and including leucine. Most popular of them are concentrate, isolate and hydrolysate. The concentrate has about 70 to 80% protein which contains lactose, fat or best flavor. Isolate has 90% protein, it contains less lactose, fat and also beneficial nutrients. Hydrolysate can be absorbed faster. It can cause a 28 to 43% greater spike in insulin levels than isolate. It is the cheapest and popular. If you wanna lose your weight, you have to maintain many rules. Without having a perfect chart, you couldn't lose your weight. We can give a daily chart for your diet. Let's see our diet plan for you. In meal. When you take your meal, you can replace something and add a new one. Breakfast is very important in our life. After breakfast, we go to our workplace, so we have to take breakfast seriously. You can add a smoothie to your breakfast. For making it, firstly take 1 cup milk, 1 scoop of vanilla flavored whey protein, 1/3 cup of frozen, a handful of ice, and a handful of baby spinach leaves. Mix these off in blender. In snack. Every day afternoon we take something as a snack. In the afternoon, taking any heavy food isn't good for health. You can take a healthy protein shake. You can make a taste shake instead of a biscuit or other thing. It is helpful for your weight loss. Before going out. Before going out, you should take protein shake. It might be good for your diet. If you take heavy food or unwise foods before go out, it can be harmful for your health. So don't take it easy. You should take protein shake before going out. Homemade protein shakes for weight loss. Number 1. Peanut butter protein shake. Peanut butter protein shake is creamy, delicious and nutty. No need to add sugar. Take 1 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of peanut, 15 to 20 green grass, half cup of yogurt, then mix this up all in a blender, then refrigerate it. Chocolate and banana protein shake. Chocolate and banana can make a wonderful drink. It's loved by all perhaps. Add 10 almonds, 3/4 cup milk, half cup teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup cooked quinoa, half yogurt mixed cocoa powder, and banana pieces, then blend it. Berry protein shake. Berry has powerful antioxidants that are helpful for weight loss. Use strawberries, Cape gooseberries, blackberries. You can increase it boosting by mixing 7 to 10 berries, half cup whipped cottage cheese, 1/4 cup water, and 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Also can mix honey if you want. Vega protein shake. It is also a great source for your weight loss. Blend 3/4 cup of silken tofu, 1 banana, 1/4 cup cooked oats, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup of almond, also mix vanilla essence. It is an amazing shake for weight loss. Raw egg protein shake. Mix 1 raw egg with yolk, half an avocado, half cup milk, 1 banana, half teaspoon cinnamon and honey. Mix them all. All ingredients are helpful for your health and weight loss. Its taste is also amazing. Whey protein and exercise. Only diet food can't help you with weight loss. You need to exercise also. Exercise is also an important element of weight loss. For weight loss, 70% depends on your food and 30% depends on your exercise. If you think only having food can change your weight, so you're wrong. You have to maintain food and exercise both. Make a plan for your exercise.